Welcome to the Shape Bakery, where sweets are shaped so magically. Come on in, it's time to bake circle cookies and triangle cake.
Round and round just like the moon, circle donuts in the afternoon. Frosted tops and jelly inside, yummy circles side by side.
Circle plates and cookie trays, we make round treats all kinds of ways.
3 pointy sides and 3 sharp corners, triangle toes from tasty borders. Slice the pizza, 1 big bite, triangle shapes feel just right.
1, 2, 3, count with me, triangle treats for you and me.
Squares are neat and nice to stack, brownie bricks in a chocolate pack.
1, 2, 3, then number 4, square marshmallows, let's make more. Same length size, what a treat. Square desserts are oh so sweet. Rectangles long, some thin, some wide, pound cake pieces side by side. Lemon bars and jelly rolls, shaped like yours or sandwich goals.
2 sides short and 2 sides long, rectangle snacks can't go wrong. Hearts and stars for special days, cookies shaped in lovely ways.
Sprinkles here and icing there, magic shapes made with love and care.
Shape the dough and watch it bake, fun new shapes for all to make.
The oven's warm, the trays are set, but don't forget we're learning yet. Shapes are everywhere, can't you see? Thanks for baking shapes with me.
One, two, three, count with me. Triangle treats for you and me.
Me.
Like 2, you, me.
Squares are neat and nice to stack. Brownie bricks in a brownie bricks in a chocolate pack. 1, 2, brick pack with you and me. Let 1, 2, 3, then nice to stack. Brownie bricks in a chocolate pack. Wet.
The oven's warm, the trays are set, but don't forget
We're learning yet.